Hello, dear students, it's me Shakil Khan. Students, in today's class, you are going to learn about the future perfect continuous tense. It is also called future perfect progressive tense. So, if I talk about the definition of future perfect continuous tense, then it is a verb tense that describes actions that will continue up until a point in the future. This is the definition of future perfect continuous tense in English. So, एसेंट्स आज की क्लास में आप सीखेंगे फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस के मुतालिक। आइए देखते हैं फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस का फार्मूला क्या है, इसकी उर्दू में पहचान क्या है और इसके जुमले किस तरह बनाए जाते हैं। लेट्स हैव अ लुक हाउ टू मेक sentences by using the formula of future perfect continuous tense. And what is its formula? The formula of future perfect continuous tense is subject plus will have been plus verb ing plus object plus since slash for plus point of time or period of time. Its identification in Urdu is if there is रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे वक्त या मुद्दत के साथ we use future perfect continuous tense in English. Let's see how to make sentences by using the formula of future perfect continuous tense. So the first sentence which I have is they will have been making this city beautiful for 2 years. वो 2 साल से इस शहर को खूबसूरत बना रहे होंगे. Nurse will have been looking after the patient since yesterday evening. नर्स कल शाम से मरीज की देखभाल कर रही होगी. Students, one thing which is very important to remember that how to use since and for. So remember that with point of time we always use since and with the period of time we always use for. As I translated the sentence, they will have been making this city beautiful for 2 years. Now here I used for because it was period of time. That's why I used for 2 years. But in the second sentence I used since. As I wrote this sentence, nurse will have been looking after the patient since yesterday evening. It was point of time, so that's why I used since here. So you have to remember also whenever you are given period of time you will use for that, and if you are given point of time then you will use since. Hassan will have been defeating his enemies for 10 years. Hassan 10 साल से अपने दुश्मनों को शिकस्त दे रहा होगा. Hassan will not have been defeating his enemies for 10 years. Will Hassan have been defeating his enemies for 10 years? Aisha will have been talking to the people about your dressing since morning. आयशा सुबह से आपके लिबास के मुतालिक लोगों से बातें कर रही होगी. आयशा will not have been talking to the people about your dressing since morning. Will Aisha have been talking to the people about your dressing since morning? Students, remember one thing, whenever we change the sentence as negative, we put only not after will. As I translated the sentence Hassan will not have been defeating his enemies for 10 years. And if you want to change as interrogative, you put only will before the subject. As I translated the sentence, will Hassan have been defeating his enemies for 10 years? And in the second sentence, which is Aisha will not have been talking to the people about your dressing since morning, I put only not after will. And for interrogative sentences, I just put will before the subject. As will Aisha have been talking to the people about your dressing since morning? So this is the way to make sentences as negative and interrogative. Just put not after will for negative and just put will before the subject for interrogative sentences. So don't forget, just remember how to make sentences as negative and interrogative. The Pakistani traders will have been selling their products in the American markets since 2010. पाकिस्तानी ताजिर 2010 से अमरीकी मंडियों में अपनी अशिया फ़रोख्त कर रहे होंगे. आसिफ will have been improving his mistakes for 1 week. आसिफ एक हफ्ते से अपनी गलतियों को दुरुस्त कर रहा होगा. Boys will have been swimming into the river since 2 o'clock. लड़के 2 बजे से दरिया में तैराकी कर रहे होंगे. He will have been working hard to succeed for 10 years. वो 10 साल से कामयाब होने के लिए मेहनत कर रहा होगा. It will have been raining in Karachi since morning. कराची में सुबह से बारिश हो रही होगी. Essence, it was all about future perfect continuous tense. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Keep on learning English with Indus English. Let's see in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.